Hi, my name is Paul. I'm a year 3 computer engineering student in NUS. So things that I've worked on here is like a communication adapter board, things like the device firmware update, and researching about EtherCAT. I think for me, one thing that I learned is maybe just being more adaptable, like in terms of culture. Like Vietnam is a culture that I'm not exposed to, so I think being adaptable to other people's culture is definitely a skill, and just going with the flow and not really thinking too much about things that you shouldn't be thinking about. So here, just follow what the locals do, what my colleagues tell me to do, and I think that helped me assimilate better, and I can probably transfer this skill to other cultures. I think for me, I enjoyed researching about the device firmware update the most. I think because that is like a very practical project that will be used, so I was able to find out what people have been using in their projects and see what is applicable for us, and hopefully whatever I research and tried out will also be used in the actual product. I think that is fun. I think there are definitely a lot of challenges, like for example working with technology that isn't really well documented, or maybe a bit gatekept, like EtherCAT. So this is a technology which is new and not a lot of documentation and help online have made me more resourceful in the way I find documentation and the way I reached out for help, even to the organization itself. I would describe the working environment as quite chill. Not chill all the time, but for most of the time it's chill. You have your own autonomy to do the things that you want, as long as you communicate well with the boss and everyone around you, so that people know what you're working on. I think as long as you're working on something useful, you are free to do what you want. Okay, so if someone to ask me about interning in Apicoo, I'll say don't need to worry about anything, just come and experience. And I'm sure that they will have a lot of relevant experiences that they will have while working here, and they'll definitely learn and grow to some extent.